Hey everybody, it's Brian Hart Hoffman, editor-in-chief of Bake From Scratch. Have you ever tried to make a cookie cake and it didn't turn out like the ones you used to get at the mall? You know the one, the ooey gooey chewy one with all the buttercream on top. Well, today I'm taking you straight back to your childhood memories and showing you how to nail this classic cookie cake. And we'll even talk about a few things you can do to twist it up. Y'all, my absolute favorite candy is the Cadbury mini eggs that you get at Easter. So you better know that this recipe is gonna have some of those going in when I make it around that time or whenever they make that candy, because it does happen a few different times during the year. So you do you, and if you don't use my favorite candy, I'm only gonna be mad at you for just a little while, but still have a lot of fun and make it your own as you bake this. My oven is preheated to 350. I've got all of my ingredients ready to go. And starting in our brown sugar, I'm gonna start putting some melted butter. I'm gonna add granulated sugar. I've got 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk and vanilla extract. This is one of those recipes I just love because I get to whisk all of this together and keep things moving quickly. Now you might be saying, Brian, what is up with that 1 egg yolk? Well, that, along with melted butter, are those secret ingredients that give you that cookie cake dream like you had when you were in the mall. So we crack that code, and here we go. Okay, second bowl. I've got my dry ingredients ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And a quick whisk here. Let's get these dry ingredients in and fold, fold, fold. We're gonna start at 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, give that quarter turn. That's how you get the folding done. Leave a little bit of flour because then we gotta add our mix-ins. And then we chop. Today, I'm in the mood to go with straight chocolate, keeping it classic. I've got my chocolate, and now let's get it folded in. All I've got to do now is get this cookie dough into the pan I prepared earlier. Just press it right in. Off to the oven it's gonna go. You can use your hand or a spatula, but I like how quick and easy it is just to press this dough in before it goes off to the oven. Save a little bit of that chocolate you chop and push it into the top. It's gonna give you a little extra wow factor and impress everybody that showed up to see you made this beautiful cookie cake. So just press that chocolate in before baking, and then it's gonna go hang out in the oven for about 22 minutes. Look at this. Great American cookie, who? Oh my goodness. I'm getting this fancy smancy though with a little bit of buttercream, just to add a little bit of that pizzazz. You already know it, right? But I would low-key eat this cookie as it is without even needing to do more of the decorating. The childhood memories are childhood memories, and we gotta have that buttercream. So good. It is perfect. Y'all, this is so good. And that's right, the recipe's in the description so that you can bake it too. Oh, and I also teach some live baking classes most Monday nights with Williams-Sonoma. If you want to get into some live baking, be sure to join us. And also, will you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you get more videos like this? Then, please hop in those comments and let me know what you plan to do for your mix-ins to bake it your own. Y'all, dang, it's so good. I'm gonna eat the rest of this right now, but first, you need to preheat your ovens. It's time to bake. Oh yeah, and time for me to eat.